As the world continues to adapt to a life with COVID, health officials constantly adapt new tools and techniques to monitor the virus. Here in Pierce County, a new system was used to find out where outbreaks were happening in the county's schools, and an alarming trend emerged.
When we first reported using that new format, 89% of our outbreaks were related to sports, and only about 8% took place in the classroom.
So what makes athletics and sports programs so vulnerable to COVID-19 outbreaks?
Well, there's a lot of physical contact between athletes, and the Department of Health has a list of high-risk sports that they have already designated as high risk for COVID.
In Puyallup, those sports are wrestling, cheerleading, and basketball. The district says it's racing to keep up with the changes that are seen through the data, but it's not easy.
The guidance is constantly changing. For this sports season alone, the state guidance has changed 3 times already.
Which can be stressful for students hoping to compete.
Our cheer teams, for example, 1 more week of competing, and yet again they are asked to adapt to the change in guidance. So it affects everyone, student athletes in particular.
But now new data shows a shift on where outbreaks in school are happening. According to the health department, 44% of outbreaks are occurring in the classroom. Naomi Wilson says although it can be stressful, this breakdown is why the new format is important.
We remain committed to keeping our schools open and safe. And part of that is making sure that we are providing reliable data to our community.
Now, Wilson went on to say that she understands that sports play a very important role in the physical and mental health of the county's student athletes, but she wants to make sure that the community has all the information they need to make the right decision for themselves. But for now, we're live in Puyallup. Lionel Donovan, King 5 News.